My video is about removing the browser notifications and fake human verification alerts that are related to the site haparlorna.com. Haparlorna.com is a junk website that tries to trick its visitors into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But whenever people mistakenly agree with that proposal and click on allow, their browser is hijacked with plenty of advertisements that would be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, go to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, in permissions choose notifications. So pay attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any junk websites from the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them all. Finally, I recommend that you also research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.